Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're facing a Slack login problem on Windows, maybe Slack won't sign in, shows authentication errors, keeps loading forever, or redirects you back to the login screen. Don't worry, this is a common issue and you can fix it easily. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Slack login requires a stable connection to Slack's servers. Open a browser and try loading any website. If pages don't load, restart your Wi-Fi router before trying Slack again. Step 2. Use the correct workspace URL. Many login failures happen because of the wrong workspace link. Make sure you're signing into the correct workspace email and URL. If unsure, ask your team admin for the exact Slack workspace link. Step 3. Clear Slack app cache. Corrupted cache often blocks login. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata, %/Slack, delete everything inside that folder. These are temporary files and safe to remove. Now open Slack and try logging in again. Step 4. Try signing in through your browser first. Go to Slack in your browser and log in there. If it works in the browser but not the app, the issue is with the desktop app, not your account. Step 5. Disable VPN, proxy, or firewall temporarily. Security software or VPNs can block Slack's authentication servers. Turn them off for a moment and test login again. Step 6. Sync date and time. Wrong system time can cause login security errors. Right-click the clock, then adjust date/time, then enable automatic time and time zone. Step 7. Reinstall Slack. If login still fails, uninstall Slack from Control Panel, restart your PC, then install the latest version from Slack's official site. This removes corrupted files completely. Most Slack login issues happen due to cache corruption, network restrictions, or wrong workspace details. And these steps fix nearly all cases. Follow these, and you should be logged in within minutes. See you in the next tutorial.